Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Chrysler 300 key fob. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can easily set up a new or replacement fob. We'll cover everything from gathering your materials to the final testing, making sure your key fob works perfectly with your vehicle. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Before we begin the actual programming, some preparation is essential. First, make sure you have all your key fobs with you, both the ones that currently work and any new ones you want to add. Your Chrysler 300 should be turned completely off, and you should be seated inside the vehicle with all doors closed. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted programming session. To begin programming, you will need two already programmed keys. First, insert one working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for 3 seconds, then turn it off. Within 15 seconds, insert your second working key and turn it to on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Finally, within 50 seconds, insert the new, unprogrammed key and turn it to on until you hear an audible chime. The security light will then illuminate for 3 seconds, confirming your new key fob is programmed. After programming, it's crucial to test your new key fob. Try locking and unlocking the doors, and if applicable, starting the engine to ensure full functionality. Also, confirm that all your original, previously working key fobs still operate as expected. If you encounter any issues, or if the programming doesn't take, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps, or consider contacting a professional locksmith for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.